Hare Krishna. In our material life, under the influence of nature, by action, we become disappointed. Actually, we feel helpless at every moment of our daily life. So, we should take shelter at the feet of our real Guru. Only he can tell us about the real purpose of our life. It's not my words. Actually, it's mentioned in all the Vedic scriptures. Material sorrow arises by itself. No one causes it. And we also never want it. So, Vedic scriptures advise that we should take shelter at the feet of our real Guru, who has received divine knowledge through Guru Parampara. Hare Krishna.